The following was filmed in front of a live Zoom audience.
Alrighty. Hello everyone, my name is Atticus Cornett, the winner for Alabama Congressional District 3, and my winning app is called Strive. So first, what is Strive? Strive is an Android app that helps its users keep track of all of their lifestyle goals and other tasks. You can think of it as kind of an advanced to-do list for self-improvement. It breaks large goals into less intimidating, manageable, bite-sized steps. The inspiration behind this app is the step counter for my Garmin fitness watch. It helps keep me on track to make sure I reach my step goals and gives me awards when I keep up my streak. And I thought, what if there was an app that helps you keep track of all of your goals, not just fitness? An app you could use to track development progress, eat healthier, or anything else you can think of. So let's get into the app demonstration. So when you open the app for the first time of the day, it opens to an encouraging greeting screen. So let's hit get started. So it opens into the app, and now we can create our first goal in the app. So we're going to hit the new goal page and give our goal a name. I'm going to do prepare for House of Code. And we can make it either a long-term goal that only needs to be completed once, or we can make it a repeating lifestyle goal that needs to be done every so often. This is going to be a long-term goal. We can set a goal color, and that helps us either organize, or it can be just for fun. Now we can add the steps to complete our goal. So there are 3 types of steps in Strive. There's a regular step that needs to be completed, a milestone which marks major progress through your goal, and a repeating step that needs to be done multiple times. So I'm going to add some steps here like write script. And then I need to edit my script. And then maybe I need to practice my script, but I need to do that 3 times. And for any long-term goals, you can also set a deadline for your step. That deadline is going to be today. We can just keep building. Now I'll add a milestone. Script done. And I can keep on building blocks like make graphics. I'm going to leave it there for now, but you can see how you can use this to break your big long-term goals into more manageable pieces. So now let's track our goals. We have 3 pages that let us do that. There's the daily goals page, which shows you all of your repeating goals that still need to be done. Then you have your full goals page, which shows you all of your long-term goals, including the one we just made, and shows you what needs to be completed there. And you can also take a look at all of your completed goals, so you can take a look back at your accomplishments, log it down, and feel proud of yourself for completing what you wanted to complete. Now, what makes Strive special is its achievement system. There are a total of 42 achievements to earn, and the achievements are designed to encourage users to keep using the app and to keep going after their goals. One thing that's really hard for me is to keep up motivation to keep going after a goal. And the achievement system will give you achievements for completing steps, doing things at certain times. You can earn achievements for doing almost anything in the app. And so that's how we keep our users motivated to keep working towards their goals. Wrong slide there. But finally, we have the settings page. On the settings page, we can set our notification settings, which have daily task reminders, achievements, and deadlines, but we can also set a bedtime reminder because getting enough sleep is a critical part of having a healthy, productive lifestyle. And lastly, from this page, we can also view the in-app tutorial. So thank you so much for listening. I will now open the floor to any questions you guys may have.
I guess I'll ask you a question. How have any of your friends or family members use this app, and if so, how have they affected?
I think my mom still has this app. She's been using this app. I don't have a lot of friends with Android phones, admittedly. But I've been using this app too, and I use it I use it with my watch to track my steps. We both use it to keep up with tasks we need to do. I use it to track my workouts, and I use it to track all sorts of things. So I know my mom and I both use it.
Hey, great presentation. So I was just going to ask the platform that you made this with and kind of your process for what language that you put this in and all of that.
So I made this in Android Studio. That's the Google provided free work IDE for working in Android. You can use Java or Kotlin in it. I chose to use Java because I was already familiar with Java. I had already learned it, so I used Android Studio with Java, and I used some XML in their built-in GUI builder to make the user experience. But I pretty much used all of the built-in Android APIs, and I also used a library called JSON, which is also by Google, which allows you to convert JSON data into strings so that I could save the information as a string.
Gotcha. Thank you so much.
Editing Atticus here. I got asked one last question right after I ended the recording, and that's, how did I make the graphics for my presentation? And I made them using software called OBS Studio. It's free recording and streaming software that a lot of YouTubers and Twitch users use to stream and record. But it also has a feature called Virtual Camera, which lets you use the output that would normally be to a video or a stream as a camera in other software. So what I did was I made some quick graphics in After Effects and laid over the text with OBS Studio, green screened out the area so that I could have this nice clean circle here, and used the streaming software to output to my virtual camera, made multiple scenes in it that I could switch between. So basically I used After Effects and OBS Studio to make my graphics. Anyways, this was just a quick recording of my live presentation for the Congressional App Challenge's House of Code. Hopefully, I can participate again next year, I'm hoping, and hopefully I have some more exciting videos coming soon. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.